Bogey. Bogey. No. You can't do much, can ya? Bogey, get out away from the burning pin. Come on. Get out of there. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go down the path Dad made for us. Come on. Don't attack the tree. Come on. Come on, let's go. Our driveway is now open. Yay! Really something, huh? That Genie is working really hard, isn't he? I can't zoom in with this camera, so, but that's him out there. The neighbor boy went and shoveled Grandma's driveway out. But that's what it looks like around here, guys. It's like deeper in some places, but a total of 16 inches is what they say that we got. Okay, back down our path and back into the house. Whew, I'm freezing. Bye.